Hi,
It's Tate
and Kameryn.
So we're here with your final sneak peek of the summer. So we're going to show you what you should expect to find in your bags. So let's just dive right into it. Kameryn, if you would bring us the junior bag, please.
Okay, here's the junior bag for this week.
So in the junior bag, you should find some paper, 2 different colors. I think they might be whole sheets. You should find a bottle that looks like this, and it's filled 4 ounces up. This is vinegar, not like water or something, so don't drink it. Also have a plastic spoon, a balloon, a little thing with some white powder in it, this is baking soda. It's not like salt or something. Then you will have a little bit of string, probably like black or brown, and then you will have 2 googly eyes that probably look something like this. Okay, so that is the junior bags. So that's the junior bags, and we'll dive right into the senior bag next. Kameryn, the senior bag, please.
Okay, so here's the senior bag, and in it you have a piece of construction paper. You have a little skeleton head cut out. You have a bunch of Q-tips.
I think it's about 13, I think.
And then a container with some candy and marshmallow and string in it. So that's the exciting part.
Yes, and once you're done the craft that involves these things, you could eat it if you wanted to. I'm not sure I'm recommending it. I'm not telling you to, but it's edible. It's candy. Might be a bit old, but we have a really cool stuff planned for you guys this week. So we're excited about that. This is obviously the last week of the program, so we're pretty sad. Not just because this is ending, but that means we have to go back to school, right, Kameryn?
Yeah.
Because we're in school too. We feel you guys, because you guys are probably going back to school, or at least your parents are going to probably be working more, whatever. But so this is the last week. So hopefully we'll see you guys on tomorrow, or not tomorrow. So hopefully we'll see you guys on Monday, and we'll see you on Tuesday hopefully for trivia, and Thursday maybe for the live Zoom. And if not, hopefully we'll see you at the end of summer party thing we're having. So you might have already heard something about this, but so we're going to be saying it kind of in every video going forward, just to remind you guys. So we're having an end of summer walkthrough on August 31st. So you can come in, and we're going to have a few small activities and some treats that you guys can have, and you can get a little certificate with your name on it for participating in this year's program. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. I think we're pretty excited about it. We've got some cool photo boards and stuff, and we've been working hard on those. So hopefully we'll see you guys on the 31st if we don't see you before then. So we're really excited to get to meet some of you guys that we haven't met in person yet. So that'll be a lot of fun. I think it's is it 2 to 6?
Something like that, yeah.
Something like that. We'll get the exact numbers for you, but it's 2 to 6 that day. So you just kind of walk through, because we don't want everyone here at the same time. But it's just a small walkthrough. You get a few treats, play a game or 2, and you can get a certificate and take a picture on the photo boards or with us, or yeah. Anyways, so hopefully we'll see you guys at some point soon. Okay, bye.
Bye.